Modding the classic Delta Force tactical shooter and bumped into a 3DI file? This is object collection data from the Delta Force game series. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using these Delta Force object collection data files. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep 3DI file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. 3.DI files are object collection data files used by the Delta Force series of tactical first-person shooter games developed by NovaLogic. They contain 3D object definitions including soldiers, vehicles, weapons, buildings, and terrain elements used by the Delta Force game engine for rendering and gameplay simulation. 3.DI files use NovaLogic's proprietary format specific to Delta Force games, storing collected 3D object data with mesh information texture references, animation data, and gameplay properties. The format integrates with the voxel-based terrain rendering technology used by classic Delta Force games for large-scale battlefield environments. The operating system preferentially attempts to open 3.DI using Delta Force from NovaLogic. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows offers very limited visibility into these files, so proper use requires game-oriented applications. To bypass the error, right-click the 3DI file and choose Open With. Test Delta Force if it is an option. If it's missing, select any other program. Some niche tools handle the format better. If the 3DI file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. If you've reached this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, installing in Delta Force. Place 3DI files in the appropriate Delta Force game data directory matching the specific game version. The game engine loads object collections during gameplay, providing the defined visual assets and gameplay objects. Modding communities maintain installation guides for various Delta Force games and modifications. Next, using modding tools. Open 3DI files in community-developed Delta Force modding utilities found on game-specific modding forums. These tools parse the object collection structure, enabling viewing and editing for custom modifications. Save changes back to 3DI format for testing in the game engine, ensuring proper gameplay integration. Finally, examining in hex editor. Inspect 3DI files in HXD or another hex editor to understand the binary structure. Look for header signatures, embedded text, and recognizable data patterns identifying object types. This analysis helps modders understand the format for creating custom modifications when dedicated tools are unavailable. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.